Are you someone who wants to save more money, but you're just not getting the results that you want? We need to break the cycle, and I want you to do this by having a change in mindset. Saving money is not a goal. It's a result. By the way, if you're new around here, I'm Mitch Goldberg. I'm a financial advisor with the wealth management firm ClientFirst Strategy. And now it's time for this week's Monday Money Tip. These are tips that I use to help make complex financial concepts easier to understand. It's really just this shift in mindset from going saving more money is my goal to saying saving more money is my result. That's what I mean by this. Mindset is everything. As an example, if you want to get in shape, you don't just join a gym and suddenly you're in shape. It takes time. You have to be diligent. You have to go a few times a week. Maybe you have to work with a personal trainer. It's the same exact thing when it comes to being in good money shape. You have to build your saving muscles. If you want to become better with your money, if you want to become a better saver, a better investor over time, then you have to start now and say to yourself, what are the habits that I'm going to develop? What are the strategies that I'm going to develop now so that I can reach what I need to do over the next 6 to 12 months. But if saving more money truly is a very important goal to you, and I'm going to go on the premise that it is very important to you, which is why you're still watching this video, then what you need to do is just find some small steps to take right now and build on those steps every single day. It's so true. A person who fails to plan is a person who plans to fail. Let's plan to save. I really hope this video helped you out with your ultimate end result, which is to save more money. For more tips like this, please connect with me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel, ClientFirst Strategy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.